I'm Lori Kohler, a licensed clinical social worker with Lee Health Home Health, and in my role as a medical social worker, I'm seeing our patients that are recently discharged perhaps from the hospital or from a skilled nursing facility where they've had rehabilitation. And oftentimes these patients are seniors in our community with very little support and are being cared for by a spouse or perhaps a child who works full-time and is overwhelmed. So in my position, it's my job to help them find the resources that they need to be able to remain at home safely and securely, and I often reach out to the United Way. The United Way is probably the most frequent organization that I reach out to. I know it's just a great resource to be able to call 211 and ask United Way what resources are available for my patient. If it's a need that I'm not aware of, they are always helpful and responsive. It's also, I think, really positive for the patient because they know that when Lee Health Home Health leaves their home, they can call 211 as a resource and know that there's always someone on the other end of the phone that can help them if they need it. I can think of many, many examples of when the United Way has been helpful. In particular, just yesterday I received a call from a woman who was out on the islands, and she had had open heart surgery, was employed full-time, but now unable to work, only in her 50s, didn't have a lot of support around, and she spoke with the United Way, and they had connected her with Fish on Sanibel, and someone came right out from Fish, sat with her, went over her needs, and they were able to help her with transportation. They were able to help her with food because it was very important for her to get proper nutrition so that she could heal after this major surgery. And they also were able to help her with some of her financial needs. So this particular patient felt very supported and cared for, and felt that once Lee Home Health wasn't able to come to see her anymore, she had a strong connection in the community. So I enthusiastically encourage everyone, please, to donate to the United Way. It helps our residents here in the community in many, many more ways than anyone ever realizes. I am Lee Health, and I live united.